Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix GeForce Experience installation cannot continue error. First thing I want you to do is come to the bottom left and right click on your start icon. Come here, click on device manager, and then from here I want you to click on display adapters and then just go ahead and right click on the graphics card you're using. So I'm using this NVIDIA one. Just right click on that, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. So search your computer. If you have the best drivers already installed, all up to date, you'll see this message. Otherwise, you'll get an option to go ahead and install the drivers, right? The updates. So we'll close this one and then we'll come to our file explorer. Then I want you to just come here, click on this PC, click on your drive. So we're using our local C drive. So open that up. And then I want you to come here and make sure you can view program data. If you cannot view it, click here on view, then click here on show, right? Hover over here. Make sure hidden items is toggled on. So once you see program data, click on it. And once you open this folder, I want you to come here, look for NVIDIA Corporation. And then what I want you to do after that, you'll actually see the downloader folder. I want you to open the downloader folder and then you'll see a folder like this with numbers. I want you to open that up. You'll see a file right here and it has a version in the name. So if you actually open up your GeForce Experience, then you come here, click on drivers, you'll see the version right here. As you can see, this is version 560.70, release date there as well. So if you go back to your file explorer, make sure it's the correct one, right? And then you just go ahead and double click on it and you go ahead and install it. Now you can go ahead and check if it's not the same version. There'll be another folder with numbers. You can go and open that one up and check if it's the correct one. If it is, then you just go ahead and double click on it, install, right? And it will be up to date and you'll fix your issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.